This is a full tour of all the elevators at Barnsley Town Hall in Barnsley. Sorry it's really windy out there, but we gotta get in and straight to the elevator as fast as we can. Here we are, Experience Barnsley. This is where we're gonna be filming now. And as you all know, this is one of my favourite elevators in Barnsley. And this is the first one for today. Let's go down first. Yeah. Yeah, attraction, this one, yeah. Yep. This is it.
I feel posh when I'm in here, Alex.
We're going to go down to basement. This used to be a way to notice. It got refurbished by ThyssenKrupp in 2013.
Basement.
Capacity 13 persons, 900 kilos.
Doors opening.
Refurbished in 2013, now we're going to go up to 2.
Doors closing.
This one has the Thames Valley logic, this one. Which is the one that I actually prefer.
Just wanted to have a picture on that circle above there. It says 13 people.
Yeah, but that's has always been like that. Yeah, it has.
Second floor.
Oh yeah,
You're at second.
way good Otis.
Yep.
Doors opening.
But that's the original installer.
Oh, that's the people who originally installed it, are they?
Doors closing.
Yeah. We're going to stop at one because I need to get that announcement in.
First floor.
Here at 1.
Doors opening.
Now we'll go down to G. Let's listen to it.
Doors closing.
So we'll go back down to G and then hopefully we can get in the other one.
Ground floor.
We are back at G.
Doors opening.
And then let's go over to the other one. Like, are you actually having a laugh here? It's out of service, this one. Well, that's unfortunate, isn't it? Lights gone out, completely out of service. Let's see what happens when I press either one of the buttons here. Nothing will happen. Let's see, let's date saying lift out of service here. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Not good enough this, isn't it, Beverly?
Not good enough, Alex.
No, completely not working.
But, to be fair, it's better off being safe, isn't it?
Yeah, it
So
is.
It's not working.
Yeah.
We've got someone coming to fix it.
Yeah, and that's it.
And we